So let's find out why men will bring women from Nigeria here to Obodo Oyibo. After some years or after some months, the woman will run away and leave the man. The man will stay alone. Do you want to know? Do you want to know? Continue watching this video. You will find out the reason why. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. It's your one and only Mama Flossie for life. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. So guys, today's video I will be cooking okra soup, and I will be preparing the soup where I will be talking to you guys about something very important, very spicy, that you guys will enjoy and you will learn some things from it. And feel free to leave your comments in the comment section. Let's rub minds together. Nobody knows it. Nobody knows it all. Let's talk about this issue. Is, you know, very important. So guys, before I will dive into the video, I just want to make my coffee. Then I will introduce the things I will be preparing my soup with. Then I will start talking about it. I wanted to do the video like sit down video, but you know, you guys can understand now the kids are at home, and it's only I prefer doing the video while cooking, because I don't want to use after cooking, then I will not sit down and start doing video again. So let me use one stone to kill two birds. So guys, I hope you enjoy today's video. First of all, let me bring out my cup. So I'm using my jumbo cup, my big cup. This is the cup I will be using to make coffee. One for me, one for Papa. Papa is still lying down. He came back this morning from work, and he's still resting his head. So this cup did not clean. The girls didn't wash it. Let me change it. So let me use this. I did not cook coffee. I want to make this one because this is the easier one for me now, because I love using this type every day. Why weekend is must. I have to cook coffee, you know. When I cook coffee, it smells so good. But today I'll be taking this type. So guys, let me give Papa his coffee, then I'll be right back. So guys, in here I will be showing you the things I will be cooking the okra soup with. First of all, I have this my mackerel fish here. Yes, I have this my mackerel fish here. I used it to cook and it was too much. I have to take this one out. So I have my mackerel fish, and here is my dried smoked catfish, and this is my original crayfish. And in here I have my meat. I have already boiled it. I've boiled it already. This is cow skin and shaki and beef meat. So you can hear the children shouting. My God. So this is the okra. This is my okra. I've already sliced it and I put it inside freezer. So this is the pepper I will be using. I want it to be really spicy. This is what I'll be using. I will use this onion to fry the oil, and I will be adding this baby spinach. I'll be adding this baby spinach to it. So I have two of it. So let's dive into the cooking.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy?
So guys, I'm done cooking. This is the soup. It's going to go down with the eba. I've enjoyed the years I've wasted. Come and join me to eat. But before we eat, we are going to finish the video. And I hope you like what you are seeing. Try to cook it for your family. It's very easy. Okay? Thank you. Keep on watching. So guys, are you guys still there? Okay, let's dive into the video. Now, the part 2. So guys, did you want to know why when some men will go home and get married to their wife and bring them here, the wife after some years, maybe 1 year, 2 years, depend on how the situation is, the woman will leave them and go, and the men will be, you know, laba laba, they will be going gaga. Did you want to know why? There is 3 reasons what I noticed due to all the experience that I've seen, the people that are around me, their story, so from there I might pick 3 things that causes all this type of separation or divorce, whatever the case may be. I think it's divorce, yes. So guys, I say let me tell you guys the reason why, because there is this video going viral on social media now in Facebook. For those of you who are not familiar to Facebook, or I think everybody is familiar to Facebook now. So there is this man there is this guy, you know, I don't even know how to start it. There is this guy that has issue with the wife, and the wife left the man, you know. So people were just talking here and there, blaming the woman, that if it's the fault of the woman, why would the woman do a thing like that, stuff like that. People just, you know, giving their own opinion. So what did I have to say? And I said, okay, I listened to the woman's side story, I listened to the man's story. So I have seen about 3 or 4 similar cases that look like this issue. So number 1, why all this, you know, divorcee, when the man will go home and bring woman, after some years the woman will leave the man, you know. Number 1, what I see, the men are not telling the women truth. Yes, the men are what we call big liars, you know. When they go to Africa to go and get married, they will lie to the woman. You can imagine relationship. This is somebody you are going to spend the rest of your life with, and you will start, you know, you will start the relationship with lie. You start building your foundation with lie. How did you think that foundation will be solid? It's not going to be solid, because that woman will find out one day. Number 1, the men are very lie. They will lie. When they go home, they will tell the woman A, they will tell the woman B. Then when they after the marriage and everything, they will not bring the woman here. When they bring the woman here, that is number 2 issue. The woman will start seeing what is going on. Number 2, when they bring the woman here, at least since they have already bring the woman here, at least it's their time now to sit the woman down and explain things, how this side, how things runs here, to explain things for the woman. They will not. Instead of them to explain everything for the woman, let the woman know what is going on, the woman will just accept. Maybe the woman will be angry for some days, then she will accept everything and move on. After all, she married the man because of love, not because of what the man told her about himself, you know. When they come, they will first of all do what they call isolation. Yes. They will quarantine the woman. Yes. They will not allow the woman to associate to other women here. They will turn the woman to something I don't know. The woman will be so, they will draw the woman back. And some of these women are women that are doing good in Nigeria before they got married to their lovely husband and they moved to this place. They will deprive the women of so many things. You can see a woman of of 22 years or 23 years old, a young beautiful girl. The man will deny her of buying clothes, shoe, makeup, things, social with people. The man will deprive her of all those things, you know, until maybe after that's why I said depend on the situation, until the woman eye will now open. Maybe the woman will start, you know, associating, meeting people. She will now open her eyes and see, since I'm inside darkness, maybe from there she will now know her left and right. Maybe when she go to school, maybe after some years, the man will turn her to baby factory. She will be making baby, you know. The man will not want her to know what is going on. She will be making baby. Maybe after 3 or 4 children, maybe then the man will not allow her to, you know, to upgrade, to go to school here. Maybe through that woman going to school, the woman will now know, so this is what I'm going through. Number 3, kindergarten, what they call kindergarten. The woman will not even know. The woman will have like 3 children or 4 children. The woman will not even know how much how much they are paying her, or how much they are paying the family for kindergarten for the 4 children or for the 3 children. The man will just be taking everything, using everything to please himself. The woman will be looking like Potter. You will see a young girl of 23 years or 24 years. She will be older than my great grandmother. You know, so after all these things, the woman will not find out this is what is going on. The woman will now start, you know, asking questions, you know, due to this man, and they are not like this, you know, the woman is not like this, and the woman will start asking questions. Problem will not start. Depend on how the man handle the problem, which leads to many divorce, you know, which leads to many separation in this Europe, particularly this city. Too many of it is going on here. So what am I going to say? Young ladies in Nigeria, please, when your husband come home to marry you, always ask questions. Even though you come here, you know, you come here, you see that the situation, not what the man claimed that he is, that is not what the man is. Try to bear with him. It's life. After all, marriage is for better for worse. Try to bear with him, so long it's not, you know, it's not pure guilty. You have to bear with him and not just leave him, because so many of these things causes katakata, causes. Have you finished eating? Okay, then wash your hand in the bathroom. I'm doing video here. So many of these things causes problem, causes so many breaking home in some various family. So that is what I said I should bring for you people, because people are asking me what is the cause of this. They will get married to their woman, they will bring her. Yes, so if you want to get married, men, if you want to go home and get married to your wife, nobody stop you, but let the woman know the truth of the type of job you are doing here. Don't tell the man, don't tell your wife that you are working in a Deutsche Bank, and when you come here you are working in Deutsche Bank, not Deutsche Bank. I don't know if you understand me. So let the woman know. You're welcome. Let the woman know everything. Then if she wants to get married to you, she will get married to you. If she don't want, then she will say she don't want. Let her know. And number 2, if you bring the woman here, let her socialize. Make her feel like a woman. Shop for your wife. Buy clothes for your wife. Let your wife look good. Before you decided to get married to her, there is something you see on her. You admire her. After you bring her, you take that beauty away from her because you don't want her to wise. How long are you going to keep her? She will wise one day, and when she wise, the people will start saying, "Oh, women, they divorce their husband. They do this, they do this." First of all, search yourself. Search yourself. I know that there are some women that are so ungrateful. No matter what you do for them, their eye is still outside, what we call opolokpo. If they want to go, they will still go. But there are so many of them that really want to relax. If you give them the little opportunity, try to give your wife opportunity to feel free. Let your wife feel like a wife, not your wife feel like the housemaid, or your wife feel like nobody. Let her feel like a wife. Let her touch money. Yes, ego na bua worry. Yes, money brings joy. Let her feel money. If there is, give your wife money. Let her take good care of herself. You will see that your home, your marriage will be the sweetest marriage. Nothing will come across your marriage. So this is my little advice for the men, and for the question that people have been sending me and said, why is it marriage is not working here in Europe? You know, especially the married that they go home, and especially the women they go home to bring here. Why is it not going? You know, some will even talk cause to extent they will have problem until. Let me reserve that one for part 2 of this video. Watch out for part 2 of this video. There is a lot we have to talk about. Let everybody learn. The men will also learn, the woman will also learn, me too, I will also learn from you people comment. We don't know it all. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and try to prepare that food for your family. It's very delicious and very simple. Okay, I will see you next time in my video. And if it's today you are coming across my video, my name is Florence. We are the family of Flossie. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn up your bell notification. That will enable you to receive a video anytime we, the family of Flossie, upload video. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye. Until I come your way again, it's your one and only Mama Flossie. Flossie for life. Bye bye.